regular dandelion. Well, this isn't the one I'm talking about. This is.
Fun fact, neither of those are actually dandelions. So, I'm not exactly 100% sure what the first one is, but I think that that's a plant called a common cat's ear or a flatweed. So if we look here, the picture's kind of blurry, but this is the best one I could find of the internet. This is a common cat's ear. This is what the flowers look like. They look very similar, and so everything looks very similar to a dandelion and is easily mistakable. But, like, there are some differences, especially most noticeably to me in the seed. They're much denser and packed a lot closer together, the, like, fluffy parts of the seed, than they are in a true dandelion. I looked it up, and there's, like, a bunch of other small differences that nobody cares about. But, yeah, the most noticeable difference to me is in the seed fluffy form, and also in the, actual flower form. They're usually less of a dome shape, and instead of the leaves going the petals kind of going like that, they tend to go like that, if that makes sense. So I think in the video, the first one, the little one, is a common cat's weed. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. The second one, the big boy, is a salsify. Casually dropping my photography from my Instagram, but yeah. Salsify typically looks just like a absolute unit of a dandelion, but they are a different plant. They're a hell of a lot bigger, like they are like a good hand size, and the seeds are a lot larger with a bigger, I don't know, umbrella, I guess, and also the actual plants look a lot different from a regular dandelion, so does the bud. So yeah, these ones are typically not easily confused with dandelions when they're in their yellow flower form, but once they go to seed, people see them and are like, holy fuck, that's a big dandelion. So if we contrast this with a true dandelion, the in seed form, the fluffy one, is more orb-shaped than a cat's ear, and it's way smaller than the salsify. Additionally, the flower form, it just looks different. I don't really know how to explain it well, but it definitely looks different. The nice, well-formed well-formed ones, I'm glitching, Jesus fuck, tend to be more of like a dome, and like just like half of an orb, I guess. I'm not explaining this well, but like, I don't know. Anyways, this is a true dandelion, and actually neither of the two flowers in the video were actual dandelions. There we go, that's the point I was making.